Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video I am going to share Baklava Rolls with Ashta. This crinkle Baklava Rolls give you all the magic of traditional baklava but in much easier and elegant form. So tasty, crispy and flaky on the outside and soft and creamy on the inside. For the Ashta, add 1 cup of milk to the pot, 2 cups of heavy cream, two tablespoons of semolina, 2 tablespoons sugar, 3.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Whisk all everything together. Turn on the heat and stir it to prevent sticking to the bottom. When the Ashta gets thickened, you can turn off the heat and add rose water and orange blossom water and mix it. Transfer to a bowl and then cover with a plastic wrap and then refrigerate for a couple of hours. Take out the phyllo sheets and make sure to thaw them according to the package direction. Here I am cutting into 3 equal portions. You can cut either 2 or 3 according to your preference. Cover your baklava sheet when working so it doesn't dry out. Ashta is ready. Take out 2 sheets of phyllo pastry. Then you can dab it with a little butter, melted butter. Sprinkle it and then fold it in half, making sure one part is overlapping the other part. Add 1 heaped teaspoon of the cream Ashta and then you can put 1 teaspoon of ground pistachio in the center. Fold the sides and roll tight until you close it off like as you see in the video. Similar way you can make the rest of the rolls. Brush a baking tray with a ghee, then you can place the phyllo crinkle rolls to the tray and then brush with good amount of ghee on top. Bake it in a preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes or until it's golden brown. The baklava is baking, we can make the simple syrup. Add 2 cups of sugar, water 1 cup. Give it a whisk until all the sugar dissolves completely. When it starts bubbling, you can simmer it for 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's ready, you can turn off the heat and add 1 tablespoon lemon juice and orange blossom water. You can remove from the heat and let it cool down. Once the baklava rolls are ready, take out from the oven and right away you can pour the simple syrup on top. You can garnish with crushed pistachios and rose petals on top. These crinkle baklava rolls filled with pistachios and ashta, so easy to make and taste delicious. If you want to impress your friends next time, try these phyllo rolls filled with cream and pistachios. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye, take care.